Welcome to Baluchi Zone. In today's video, we will go through some of the emotions and attributes in Baluchi language. In Baluchi, there's a lot of words that begin with del, and del is a word that would translate to heart. To say annoyed in Baluchi, we would say del siyah, annoyed. So the word for word translation for del siyah is black heart, and the word originates from the state of getting someone so annoyed that their heart will turn black. For example, she is very annoyed. Sac del siyahint. Sac del siyah ent. She is very annoyed. To say upset in Baluchi, we would say del gran. The word for word translation for del gran is heavy heart or heavy hearted, and the word originates from the state of getting someone's heart so heavy that they cannot handle it and they get upset. For example, he is very upset. He is very upset. Sac del gran ent. Sac del gran ent. He is very upset. Scared. Del pat. So the word for word translation for del pat is heartburst or bursting heart. The word originates from the state of getting someone so scared that their heart is about to burst. For example, John is scared. John del pat ent. Coward. Biedel. Coward. The word for word translation for biedel is heartless, as in you are such a coward that you don't even have a heart. For example, he is such a coward. He is such a coward. Saki biediliye ent. Saki biedel ie ent. Saki biediliye ent. Now let's move on from the del words. To say angry in Baluchi, angry, we would say gaze, angry. For example, he is angry. He is angry. Gaze ent. Gaze ent. Gaze ent. Alarmed. Hojjar. Be alarmed. Be alarmed. Hojjar bu. Carefree. Biedargam. He is so carefree. Sac biedargam ent. Sac biedargam ent. And lastly, confused. bear. For example, James is so confused. James sak bear int. James sak bear rent. James is so confused. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and stay tuned for more.